Hey everyone, this is Mike Pridmore, Territory Manager at Utility Service Agency, proud manufacturer's representative for Current Lighting. At the end of February 2026, February 25th and 26th of 2026, we're going to hold a two-day LED roadway and utility lighting conference. Day one will be at our East Flat Rock, North Carolina manufacturing facility, and I'm going to bounce it over to my counterpart, Wade Summerlin, who's in East Flat Rock, North Carolina, and will show you just a little bit more about what you can expect to see there.
Right here is where we perform our 25 degree C test, and what we're doing is we're measuring the temperature of the driver and of the LEDs so that we can guarantee that we're going to have reliability with the driver, and our lumen maintenance projections are going to be on target. You'll see we have thermal couplings placed all around on our critical components. And right here is where we do our high temperature testing, so that's 50 degrees C, pretty toasty in there, so that's a little over 120 degrees Fahrenheit. And right here is where we're making sure that we stay within our UL thermal limits of the fixture. This machine right here is where we test vibration. So we're going to run this fixture at 300,000 cycles on 3 axes. And just for reference, we're hitting it with about a 3G rate of vibration. And what I have behind me right here is our salt fog chamber. And what we do in here is we test our standard and coastal finishes that we apply to our fixtures. Right here behind me, I have our dust chamber. This is where we test our optical cavities to ensure that we meet our IP6 ratings. In this chamber right here is where we test for water ingress. We apply the high pressure. We put the fixture over there, we blast it with this hose. And here's our rain chamber. This is where we test for our UL ratings. So up top, we have shower heads that are going to come down from there. And down here from the bottom, we got sprinkler heads that are going to shoot up from the top. Right here is one of our integrating spheres. This is where we test for lumen output and color properties. Here's our big guy. He's warming up for a test right now.
After day one in East Flat Rock, North Carolina, we'll come back down Highway 25 and spend the night in Greenville. The next day, day two, will be at our Current Lighting headquarters right here in Greenville, South Carolina, and we'll go over in a classroom environment various topics that apply to utility lighting engineers. If you're interested in attending, please get registered by February the 3rd, 2026. We have a block of rooms at the AC Hotel in downtown Greenville. That will be the conference hotel. Once you're in our presence, all transportation will be provided by Current, along with all meals in conjunction with the conference. We look forward to hosting you. We hope that you will join us on February 25th and 26th of 2026 for this Current Lighting LED Utility and Roadway Conference. Please contact Utility Service Agency if you have any questions. Thank you.